Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about descriptive words. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. Descriptive words are words that give description about other words. They help paint a picture in the reader's mind. They can be adjectives, adverbs, or participles that describe the subjects or actions of our sentences. In this video, we will learn some categories and we will learn some descriptive words in that particular category. First category is appearance. Some of the descriptive words that we can use to describe someone's appearance are beautiful, tall, slim, rugged, elegant. Next category is color. Some descriptive words to describe one's color are red, blue, emerald, golden, pale, etc. Next category is shape. The descriptive words are round, square, flat, jagged, curved. Descriptive words for the category of size are large, tiny, huge, moderate, minuscule. Next category is texture. Descriptive words for the category of texture are smooth, rough, silky, bumpy, and soft. Next category is taste. Descriptive word for the category of taste are sweet, sour, bitter, salty, bland, etc. Next category is smell. Descriptive words for the category of smell are fragrant, pungent, musty, fresh, and floral. Next category is sound. Descriptive words for the category of sound are loud, quiet, harsh, melodic, and muffled. Next category is emotions. The words are happy, sad, anxious, excited, and calm. Next category is speed. Descriptive words for the category of speed are fast, slow, swift, sluggish, and brisk. Next category is age. The words are old, young, ancient, modern, juvenile. Next category is quantity. Descriptive words for the category of quantity are few, many, abundant, several, and limited. Next category is quality. The words for the category of quality are good, bad, excellent, poor, mediocre. Next category is condition. The words are clean, dirty, broken, worn, and pristine. Next category is personality. The descriptive words for the category of personality are kind, rude, cheerful, timid, and brave. Next category is time. The words are early, late, current, future, and brief.